Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today I'm going to show you some clips of BOXO USA Tools that I saw there at the PRI Show recently, which is Performance Racing Industry Show. It's kind of like SEMA, but for everything race related. Anything and everything that you can think of automotive, it is there. Not a whole lot of tool companies like you would see at SEMA, but being suspension and brakes and body work and custom everything and hoses and lines and fuel systems and anything and everything that you can think of automotive or race related, they have it there. But I did run into BOXO USA Tools there, spoke with them. You guys may remember the review I did on this metric set, and you guys know, if you watch that video, how much I love this 90 tooth ratchet. I go to it almost any time I need a ratchet now because it's so smooth. It really does compare to my Snap-on, and I love that. But they have a huge lineup of tools coming out in 2019. So I picked up their new catalog. I'll do a separate video on that, but I'll show you guys the toolboxes now, as well as some tools that they have in the cases inside the toolboxes. I really hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright guys, this is BOXO USA's new service cart that they'll have in 2019. They're going to have a couple different color options. It's got the sliding stainless steel top, really smooth, built-in drawer on the top on both sides. It's got a latch underneath that locks each drawer. Really beautiful setup. They're going to have a lot of stuff coming in 2019, so stay tuned. Alright YouTubers, so this is another BOXO USA toolbox that they kind of have outfitted for display with some of their different sets. As you can tell, they're very versatile. You've got a lot of different options here. Different socket sets, deep well, shallow, crow's feet. A lot of different ways you can set up your drawers, so really nice options here. Different color combinations. Here's a big seller from BOXO USA Tools, their little handheld toolbox. Nice little setup. You guys know I love those ratchets. And the first floor they have it outfitted with screwdrivers. Next one is pliers and Allen keys. And then wrenches. Nice little SAE set here on the left and metric on the right. Big seller from BOXO USA. Really nice.